Hey everyone, let's have a look around Beaver Lake. Let's see how the ice fishing is doing today on January the 12th, 2019. And it's a beautiful clear day, nice sunshine. And this is South Beaver Lake near the Highway 41. And there is nobody out at all. Now what I heard is that the ice is not that consistently thick at this end. But looking over Neville Point, I can see some huts over there. So let's have a zoom over in that direction and see what's going on. Here we are on North Beaver Lake, pulling back. Oh, what's this? A trailer, a few trucks and cars. Wow, guys are out in hordes. I'm sure they're catching something today. It's a beautiful day. Let's have a look around what they've got happening here. And if that didn't get you dizzy enough, how about this? And up at the other end of the lake, folks are still getting ready. Here's a bunch of lads I ran into that were getting their fishing hut ready to tow out onto the ice. Boom. And there's several huts, whoa, there we go. Several huts out there already. Here's one here, lonely little hut in the middle of North Beaver Lake. Not too far off the boat launch. And here's one cooking up some heat inside. Made some final adjustments in the positioning. Looks like some sort of a truck commercial there. All right, let's go out and drill some holes. Meanwhile, not too far away, down near the Narrows there where the river comes in, you can see some open water. It's certainly frozen over quite a bit since earlier in the season, obviously. There's the open water. Strange little brown spot there just off the tip of Neville Point at the bottom of the screen. Here's what it looks like a little closer up. There we have it. Quick look at ice fishing today, January the 12th, 2019 on Beaver Lake, Ontario, Canada, near Tamworth and Erinsville.